Alright, so I'm going to replace my existing doorbell with this Anker Eufy video doorbell. Did a lot of research on YouTube, and this one, it seemed like the only one that had a 2K um, camera in it, which seems a little bit better to have than a 1080p. So we're going to install this guy. First thing that needs to happen is you got to turn off the circuit breaker going to the doorbell. That was quite of a chore. I hope it's not this difficult when you're trying to look for this where it wasn't marked on here. I had to go through and by process elimination figure out which circuit was the doorbell on, and it turns out it was on the furnace. So I have clearly marked the doorbell now as on the furnace circuit breaker. Don't know why they did that. Maybe it has something to do with the voltage on the controller board on the furnace being 24 volts. I'm not sure, but that's what I needed to do. Okay, so now that the power is off at the circuit breaker, instructions tell us to install this jumper between these two terminals. Jumper comes with the kit, so you'll do that. Once you do that, then we'll go on and take the old doorbell off and attach the new one. Remove the old doorbell and the wires here and put the mounting plate. This doesn't need to be angled, so I'm just going to put straight on just the flat face plate there. Alright, so now we've got the wires connected up to the doorbell, and now it's ready to fasten it to the plate. Right after you turn the circuit breaker back on, you have a light on there around that ring, and we have power to the doorbell. Now that the doorbell has been secured, now we need to plug in this indoor chime, and so we'll plug it in such like this. Now they tell you to go ahead and push the button down there, hold it down like that, and it's going to blink, and then we got to go to the doorbell to sync it with the chime. All right, so we're back out here. We're going to go ahead and push the button in. So now it is synchronized with the doorbell, and the blue light is steady now, so it's all set to go. Doorbell installed, and now we want to have the app. So this is it, the Eufy Security. You download that from the App Store. You launch it like so, and there's a control panel down here. The settings are in here, so you can go in and configure the camera and the chimes, and there's an LED at night, so it lights up the circle that goes around the doorbell button. You can do audio recording, motion detection, video quality. You can set that to, like I have it set to 2K, so that's the highest it'll go. High definition, very nice. There's other adjustments in here that you can do as well, and you can change the name of the doorbell, motion detection. You can set that up for sensitivity there. All right. Now it does record events, so you can go in here and you can see that it has recorded each day. There's a recording, and push that. You can see that there's previous days. Want to see what went on there. So there I am coming in. So, very good video there. And there's other things that you can do with this doorbell, but it works very nice. Works at night as well. Has good infrared quality. So there's the infrared, what it looks like. This is from back on June 21st, so the recording is now expired, so just delete those videos after a while. So, but it does a good job of recording, and if you're away from home, you can see what's going on with that. So that's the Eufy security doorbell, and thanks for watching my video.